Kura Kaupapa Maori or Horouta Wananga officially moved into the Gisborne Girls and Boys High School Rectory building this week. The kura made the move from Te Poho or Rawiri Marae where they had been operating. Principal Brucenna Gilvray-Nohotima says she's not sure at this stage whether they will stay at the rectory until the marae renovations are done or until the new school is completed.
We're absolutely excited about moving on to the new site as a temporary accommodation. We're beginning the process of establishing a new board. We're looking forward to the future and becoming a Kura Kaupapa Maori here in Gisborne in our own right.
Ms Gilvray-Nohotima says they have plenty of children that wish to join the kura, but their limited space has been an issue. In preparation for the kura to move in, Kurri Construction worked on the building for 2 weeks over the school holidays. They took care of general maintenance and installed wheelchair-accessible ramps and a wheelchair-accessible bathroom.
He tino nui te wahi mo mātou he pai. He tino pai tēnei kura mo te tākuro ki waho. He nui ake te wahi mo te tākuro.